Buddy, take it easy on the gas. Don't go crazy with the way I'm about to show you in this video. This information isn't widely known, and I'm pleading with you to only use this method. And if you follow my recommendations, this is a reasonably straightforward method and easy way to generate money online if you have good intentions and will only use it ethically. And I'll teach you how to do it by using this website where you can make up to this much money in only a few minutes of your time. However, there is a catch. This isn't gonna work for you if you're too lazy to follow all the steps I'll be demonstrating throughout the video. So, if you truly want to make money online, you must watch this video all the way to the end. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. To begin, I'd like you to go to this website, which is g2.com, and look through the various software categories. As you can see here, each one has a number of ratings ranging from 1 to 5 stars. Here's the thing, by merely rating software on this website, you can be rewarded repeatedly while also being verified. It's also an easier process than you might think, but pay attention because I'll teach you how to accomplish it using practical examples. So first and foremost, scroll down and look for the Write a Review button. We want to write a review and be compensated for it, so go ahead and press the button. After that, you'll be directed to this particular page. And as you can see, there are a few stages that must be followed. To begin, you must first choose the software or service to rate, after which you must write a review. You may also share it on LinkedIn, and that's all there is to it. You'll be able to make a lot of money and you'll be able to do it again and again. Now, let's be more specific. The first step is to identify and select a product on which you wish to make a review. As you can see, there are a variety of different categories like advertising, sales, and so on and so forth. Let's say you want to write a review for a product in the IT area. Simply click on it, and you'll be directed to this page. We can notice that there are a lot of various software to choose from and provide ratings to recall your income prospects if we scroll down. There are no limits here, so don't get too carried away. We'll take it one step at a time. For example, I'll go with Google because I'm sure many of you have heard of it and many have used it. And the website will show you that you've chosen just one product. You can choose from a variety of things to rate, but for the time being, we'll stick with this one. Now, over here, click on the blue Continue button, which we will be led to this page, where we'll be asked to write a brief review on one of their items. Simply click on the review button to get started, but first you must log in or establish an account on G2. After you've completed that, you can rate this product and begin earning money. To sign up, click on this blue icon to sign up with your LinkedIn or Google email address. If you used your email, you'll need to confirm your account by clicking the link delivered to your inbox. Now, we can move on to the next step once you've authenticated your account. We can now start writing our reviews and rating the product that we chose. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. Just go through the form, but pay close attention to the question. How likely is it that you would recommend to a friend? You can rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being not likely and 10 being very likely in this particular case, since I do enjoy using Google Drive, and so I'll give it a rating of 10, because it is indeed very likely that I'll recommend it to my friends. Now, on to the title of your review. In the area provided, add a short line that describes your experience. You may get a lot of information about Google by searching for it. Furthermore, you can see that it has already a substantial number of reviews, and you can get some ideas on how to write your own Google Drive review by glancing at their examples. Take a look at this one. It was created by a single individual, right here and here. They've got a great title. You can watch them discussing what they like and don't like about Google Drive in the video below. By reading some of the reviews written by other people, you can get ideas and inspo for your own writing. So you can start making money already by going back to our own review that we're writing. Let's put this title here. Now, moving on to the rest of the questions. Let's do our best to answer them all. You'll come across questions like, what do you dislike? What do you like? And so on. The best part is you only have to write 40 characters for each question, and you can refer to reviews that already exist here on g2.com. There have already been hundreds of written reviews, so you've got a great chance at writing one. All of these reviewers are from various nations throughout the world. What's even better is the possibility is completely limitless, so there's no need to worry. Once you finish giving the rating and writing the simple review, all you have to do now is agree to the statement, which basically states that you certify the review is a genuine opinion of yours, and that it was submitted in line with the terms. To confirm, simply click on this blue button, and once that's done, we can finally submit the entire document. Remember that this is something you can do over and over again to keep being paid. This is an inexhaustible amount of software available for evaluation. Furthermore, you do not require a subscription to this website, nor do you require any prior expertise. That's all there is to it. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below, and we'll see you again next time.